Are you ready to make your taste buds dance? Let's take a spicy, flavorful journey to Pakistan. From sizzling kebabs to creamy curries, these dishes will make you hungry in seconds. Stay with me as I count on the three most delicious Pakistani dishes you must try. Three most delicious dishes of Pakistan. Pakistan is a country of full of colors, traditions, and amazing food. Its dishes are full of strong flavors, tasty spices, and mouth-watering aromas. From street foods to home-cooked meals, Pakistani cuisine is loved all over the world. Let's talk about the top three most delicious dishes of Pakistan that everyone should try at least once. Number one, biryani, the king of Pakistani food. Biryani is one of the most famous and loved dishes in Pakistan. It is rice dish made with basmati rice, meat, usually chicken, beef, or mutton, yogurt, tomatoes, onions, and many spices. People also add boiled eggs and fried potatoes in some areas. Biryani is not just food, it's an emotion for many Pakistanis. It has a spicy and rich taste that feels like a party in your mouth. Every bite is full of flavor. The best part about biryani is that it smells amazing even before you taste it. This dish is usually served at weddings, family gatherings, and special events. Nihari, a royal breakfast dish. Nihari is also cooked beef stew that is eaten mostly at breakfast in Pakistan, especially in big cities like Lahore and Karachi. This meat is cooked overnight with special spices to make it soft and flavorful. It is served hot with naan, flatbread, or kulcha. The taste of nihari is rich, oily, and full of deep flavor. Some people like to add lemon juice, green chili, and ginger slices to make it even tastier. This dish was once eaten by kings and royals, and now it's a favorite for everyone. Many people enjoy nihari on weekends with their families. Chicken Karahi, a star of every dinner table. Chicken Karahi is another very popular dish in Pakistan. It is made with chicken, tomatoes, garlic, ginger, green chilies, and special spices. It is cooked in a round iron pot called a karai, which gives it a unique taste. This dish is not too dry or too soapy. It has a thick gravy that is perfect to eat with naan or roti. Chicken Karahi is a must-have item at Pakistani dinner table, especially when guests come over. It is hot, spicy, and full of strong flavor. The smell of Karahi cooking can make anyone hungry. Pakistani food is rich, spicy, and full of love. These three dishes, biryani, nihari, and chicken Karahi, show the beauty of Pakistani cuisine. They are not just meals, they are part of the country's culture and hospitality. If you ever visit Pakistan or find a Pakistani restaurant, don't miss the chance to try them. Your taste buds will thank you.